Okay. So maybe in sixth or fifth grade, you guys learned order of operations briefly. It is basically when we do, some of you might have learned it as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You maybe learned it that way. The way that your textbook, CPM, wants me to teach it is actually a little bit different. A little bit different. All right. So everybody can see my notebook. We're ready to go. Okay. So in the CPM book, what they want you to do is they want you to actually what is called circle the terms. Circle the terms. And what we do is we circle everything but the addition and everything addition or and. So circle everything but the addition and the subtraction sign. Circle everything but the addition or subtraction sign. That's fine. All right. So circle the terms. So terms are separated by an addition sign and a subtraction sign. Just write this down. This will make sense once we start doing some problems. So everybody's writing this down in their notebook. There's no excuses. Everybody's writing this down. Math is about doing and writing, not just about listening. All right, so if I have the problem 10 minus 25 divided by 5 plus 6. Okay, so you're going to circle everything but the addition and subtraction sign. So I'm going to circle this 10, but because there's a subtraction sign, I'm going to like close it right there. That's called a term. A term. Okay, so this is one term. I don't circle subtraction, and then I continue circling. I circle the 25. Can I circle a division sign? Yes. Can I circle a 5? Yes. Oh, there's a plus sign. So I stop circling. So this is a term. So I can put together division and multiplication. Then I hear a plus sign. I have a plus sign here, so I'm not going to circle it. And then I circle just the 6. So what this allows us to do is to see how many terms are in a problem. So there's 3 terms because we circle everything but the addition and subtraction sign. So you see the subtraction sign and the addition sign are kind of left not circled. All right. So then if it's just a single number, you just kind of drop it down. Minus. If you have a problem circled, you see this is a problem, you do the problem. What is 25 divided by 5? 5, then plus 6. So now we have single numbers separated by a subtraction and an addition sign. Yay! Now we get to do it. We do it from left to right. So we always do it from left to right, from here over. Once we got rid of all of our circles, we're done with the circles, so now we go from left to right. Now we do the math, the math, the math. All right. Wow. So 10 minus 5, you can change it to 10 plus negative 5 if you want to make me super happy. That gives me 5 plus 6. So I just drop down the plus sign, just drop down the 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. And that's our final answer. Any questions? All right. Okay. We'll go I'm going to kind of do some more examples and then we'll be working on our own on a couple of things. All right. Let's try doing this one. 12 divided by 2 minus 4 plus 10. Okay. So here's our math problem. And we're going to circle everything except the subtraction sign and the addition sign. Subtraction sign. Single number. Single number. So again, we have a 3-term problem here. So let's do the problem that's circled together. What do we get when we do 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. Then you bring down everything. Now you're going to go from left to right. While you finish that problem, announcement to make. If you haven't finished the map test, I emailed you and then I sent a message to your parents. Last week, some of you did show up, some of you did not. So if you have not finished the map test, please come to office hours today so we can finish for once and for all this map test. All right, what did you guys get for this problem?
12.
So we do 6 minus 4, which is 2, plus 10 gives you 12. If you did not get 12, make sure you follow what I did, go back, see how I got these numbers, and then we go from left to right. All right, let's do 5 times 30 minus 40. Ooh, big numbers. Okay. So 5 times, that's the multiplication side, parentheses 30 minus 40. So because of the parentheses, it kind of gets all grouped together. So we got like this really big circle here. And yes, I did circle a minus sign because it's in the parentheses. I know it's a little tricky. Okay, but so we're going to do whatever's in the parentheses, you guys get to do first. So whatever in the parentheses gets to be completed first. But this just makes Miss Lamelli super sad on a Monday morning.
So we add it.
Yep. How do we rewrite it?
30 plus 40.
Plus.
Negative 40.
Yes, Jocelyn. Negative 40. Now, some of you, when I was checking your work the other day, you guys just put 40, and it's like, oh, no, you got to change to the opposite. Opposite, okay? So 30 plus negative 40 is negative 10 times 5. So this gives me negative 10, right? Because there's more negatives. There's different signs you subtract. You get negative 10. What is 5 times negative 10?
Negative 50.
Negative 50. Good. Have you guys done exponents in your 6th grade class? Did you guys do exponents?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. Maybe I should call Miss Kano. Miss Kano, did you teach exponents? What do you think she'll say? Yes? I should call her. No, I shouldn't. Okay. Let's do 4 squared plus 2 times 5. So if I circle the terms, I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to do this one. Okay? So 4 squared, what does that mean? Does anybody know what that means, 4 squared?
4 to the power of 2.
Yes. Yes, 4 to the power of 2, which means 4 times 4. This means 4 times 4, right? Not 4 times 2. So what's 4 times 4?
16.
16. Very good. Plus, what's 2 times 5?
10.
10. So this becomes 16. That becomes 10. What's 16 plus 10?
26.
26. And we're done. We okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. What if I give you this problem? 5 to the power of 2 plus 7 times 2 plus 3. What would you circle? How many terms?
3.
3 terms. Very good. See if you can get an answer before I do. And if you do, you can put it in the private chat. Good. Look up when you have an answer. My answer's on the screen. But wait until you get your own answer. Oh, okay. Look at my screen. If you have an answer, you can check. Okay, good. Okay, so 5 squared means 5 times 5, right? 5 times 5 is 25 plus 7 times 2 is 14. Then we drop down the 3. So we have 25 plus 14 gives me 39. Drop down the 3 plus 3, grand total of 42. All right, let's see what you guys can do with this one. 8 plus 2 in the parentheses divided by 5 minus 3. How many terms here? Now, because it's in the parentheses, I'm going to like circle everything, and then I'm going to circle the 3. Don't look up until you have an answer. Does your answer match my answer?